In this video, let's talk about using single point focus on Canon cameras. Single point autofocus. Why do we even need to set our autofocus area to single point? When we click pictures of people or birds or animals, if the eyes are even slightly out of focus, that subject appears out of focus. The focus might be on the nose or on the ears, but the eyes are slightly out of focus. That image is almost unusable. If we leave it up to the camera to decide where the focus should be, it's highly unlikely that the camera will nail focus on the eye. When clicking pictures of birds flying in the sky, the camera might focus on the sky and the bird will be completely out of focus. Or focus on the body of the tiger and the eyes go completely out of focus. So it's very important to assign a single focus point and maneuver it through the viewfinder to exactly where we want the sharpest focus in that image. To do this, we press this button here at the top right. If your Canon camera offers you multiple autofocus areas to choose from, then you need to toggle to spot focus or one point focus by pressing this MFN button after you press this button here at the top right. Spot focus lets you choose a smaller focus area within the focus point for even more precise autofocusing so that you can nail focus precisely on the eye. If your Canon camera has just the 9 or 11 focus points, then all you need to do is press this button here at the top right and turn the command dial till you select the appropriate focus point. There will come a time when all the focus points are selected. That does not mean that everything in your picture is going to be sharp. What that actually means is that the camera is going to decide where the focus should be, and that completely defeats the purpose when you're trying to focus accurately on the eye of the subject. So for precise autofocusing, set your autofocus area to single point and select that one focus point where you want maximum focus in your subject and align that focus point with the area of the frame where you want maximum sharpness. Watch this video to learn about all the visible and the invisible settings on any Canon camera to click super sharp images of wildlife.